Good morning, class 7. We will continue with the chapter response of plants and animals. In the previous classes, we have discussed how the plants and animals they respond to the changes which are taking place in the environment. We will talk about the adaptations in animals today. Adaptation in animal can be classified into three categories: aerial adaptation, aquatic adaptation, terrestrial adaptation. Aerial, as from the name it is clear, related to something in air. Birds adapt themselves in a variety of ways. Shape of body. Body of birds is spindle shaped and streamlined. It helps in the swift passage of birds through air by reducing the friction. So, you must have seen the bird and its body, it's in the shape of the bird, body of the shape of the body of the bird is like a spindle, or you can say it is streamlined. The shape of fish is also streamlined, right. So, here this shape helps the bird to move swiftly in the air. Feathers. The body of bird is covered with feathers. They are light in weight, waterproof and elastic. They play an important role in the flight. So, they help the bird to fly and they can easily swing move upwards, downwards, or if they have to halt at some place, that also they can do easily because of the help of these feathers. Pneumatic bones. The bones of birds are hollow with many air cavities. Therefore, bones of birds remain filled with air. It reduces the weight of bird, which helps in flying. So, the bird obviously it has very light weight, and that is one of the features which helps the bird in flying. Aquatic adaptation. The adaptive feature of aquatic animals are again the shape of the body, that is the body shape. Body of most of the aquatic animal is compressed. Laterally, it helps them to swim in water easily. You must have seen, you can see the picture of the fish, which is as if it has been compressed. So, it is compressed laterally, and that helps the animal to swim or to easily move in the water. Then, locomotion is the power to move from one place to another. Organs of aquatic animal like fins of fish, flippers of whales, webbed feet of frogs and ducks, etc. are adapted to easy locomotion. That helps them to move from one place to another easily. Then comes gills. Gills are thin organs to easy respiration. These organs help aquatic animals to absorb the dissolved oxygen of water. So, gills, that is very thin, if you must have seen it, it is very thin organ, and that helps the animal in respiration. They are there in the aquatic animals. It helps in absorbing the oxygen which is dissolved in the water. Terrestrial adaptation. Organs and body parts of terrestrial animals are adapted to live comfortably on the terrestrial or land environment. Foot. Animals living on land have the tendency to develop their feet in such a way that helps them to run easily. Land animals run to escape from danger and in search of food. So, there are two reasons why land animals they run, that is to escape the danger, or when they are looking for food, or when they are running after the food. Animals that walk or run on the full soles are called plantigrade like bear and man. Animals that run on the toes are called digitigrade like cats and dogs. Unguligrade are animals that run on the tip of toes like horse and donkey. So, these are different types of animals. The animal that run on the toes, they are digitigrade, that is cat and dog. Then we have plantigrade like bear and man like us. Then unguligrade, that is they run on the tip of the toe, that is horse and donkey. Lungs. Land animals breathe in air, therefore, they have developed lungs in their body. Claws. Most land animals have strong claws to catch food. It also helps them to dig the ground. So, the use of claws, there are again two claws. like they can catch the food that will have a grip, and it also helps them in digging the ground. Then points to remember. Environment is an ever changing phenomenon. Organisms have to adapt to the changing condition. So first of all, environment, that is a that keeps on changing phenomena. Then organism, they have to adapt, they have to adjust to the changing conditions. Adaptations can be of two types, physiological and evolutionary. Physiological adaptation is sudden and evolutionary adaptation is slow. Tropism is the response of organisms towards the stimuli like heat or light. Plants of all habitats adapt themselves to their environment. So, tropism, it is a response, that is how the organism is responding when towards a stimuli, like whenever if light or heat is coming, then how they are going to respond to it, that is to these stimuli. Then plants have of all the habitats wherever they are, they have adapted themselves to their environment. Then all animals, aerial, aquatic and terrestrial, they have adapted themselves to the environment. So that is all for today class. Please do the question answers in your notebook. Thank you. Do read the chapter. Take care of yourselves.